What up? It's your girl Matt and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a full-time reseller and thanks for being here. I went to the Goodwill Outlet today and I spent a total of 26 bucks and I don't know, it was like 17 pounds or something. Maybe not even, I don't know. It wasn't that much. This is a cute baby haul. If you wait till the end, there is something I picked up that I cannot believe comps for this much. So hang tight for that. Stay tuned and let's get to it. All right, I'm just going to get right into it, and I'm going to start off by this is all I got, but that's okay, in a little bag down there. So starting off with a cute little Victoria's Secret, super cute. Once again, here I go. Victoria's Secret bras. I picked these up. I think that these are a good little thing. They cost me 50 cents, and I can sell these between $15 and $20. Now, what's your take on Zara? Like, is that something that you pick up? Is that something you don't pick? My friend Kingsley and I were talking about Zara, and he was saying he has a love-hate relationship with it, and me too. Like, I want to pick it up because I do like it does sell, but some of the things sit. So I think it's a style choice. And I did get this. It is a cute little Zara crop top. Looks very retro, kind of 60s, like ice cream shop. So I did pick that up. Nike, this is just a racerback tank top. These will sell maybe $10. I found another Victoria's Secret bra, but this one is actually new with tags. It was just a little bralette. Old Navy, new with tags. I only picked up the Old Navy because it was new with tags, and it's a velvet spaghetti strap midi dress, maybe even a maxi. Just I don't know what's going on. It's weird. I usually find like things that go together. More velvet. This is an Abercrombie. This is an Abercrombie and Fitch jumper. So I saw these running for $30 on Poshmark. So I did pick it up because easy stock photos and that. Torrid. It's just a little red tank top. This is probably a $15 profit. Banana Republic, another one. This was just light, so I figured why not? 15 bucks maybe. Too cute to pass up. Express, maybe a $15 profit. If you saw any of my other videos a few weeks ago, I picked up a ton of awesome Bolo brands of denim. And I found another pair that I love, and that's 7 for All Mankind. These are a size 25, so they are small. These are the really in style, cute, cozy shorts. These are like almost like a suede, but these are from Juicy Couture. More Torrid. My last haul, I found pants just like this, 20R, and I picked these up again. J. Crew, I know, love-hate relationship. This is one of those things I do try to pick up. I did this based off style. I thought this was a really cute dress. It's simple. Animal print will never go away. And then this is the last clothing item that I found. And this was a brand new Just Fab brand. But I did see these running on eBay for about $35. It's a linen blazer. It was originally 65 bucks or $61. So let me show you what I got in this bag. First off, you know your girl likes books. So I did find a book, and it is a Winnie the Pooh book. This is from the 1950s. So I did buy it because this is 70 years old. It's from 1954. It is peeling a little bit, but I'm going to throw this on my shelf. And I don't think I'm going to list this. I just think it's too cool. It's only $15 on eBay, so I'm going to probably just keep this for me. Also found these. They're 7.5, and these are Vans. They're my size, so I haven't decided if I want to keep them or not. I don't really wear this color, but sneakers are sneakers, and I don't like to spend money anymore on anything because at the bins, you literally can find it. Things to pick up if you don't are these little like rattan, I don't know how, rattan? It's rattan. These little trivets, people use these vintage posters in their house. The boho vibes vary in. 10 bucks for these 3, but I should sell these pretty quick. I've done a few of these. I always pick these up when I find them. I love them, and I sell them. Okay, don't skip the blankets, y'all. I know, y'all. Who am I? Who am I? Y'all. Don't skip the blankets. I don't usually pick up blankets, but a few times I have. I picked up a few blankets. Yes, I have. And I'm telling you, you can make your money on them. Depends on the brand. Check your comps. But when I found this one, this is a wool blanket. It's not super duper soft, but this brand, where are you? It's called Highland Home Industries, and it's 100% wool. I saw these running anywhere between $30 and $100 on eBay, so I grabbed it. It didn't weigh anything. And this, last but not least, everybody, this is the one thing that I didn't think it was going to be much, but it is a little dirty, I know. But it says, end systemic racism. This is the brand Brandon Blackwood. I know it's a little dirty, but these are running over the $150 mark on eBay. This little tiny bag that is 6 inches. I don't know what I'm going to get it for. It doesn't weigh much, so I did buy it. So this was probably the most money thing. I'm hoping to get at least $100 for this little bag, and we'll see. I didn't pick up much today. It was a cute little haul. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. It will encourage me. I will make more videos. Comment. Tell me all the things. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's your girl Mad. Peace out.